Folks, back again at Hillside Auto Mall. We're on 150th Street and Hillside Avenue. Folks, we're in the middle of a 45-minute challenge. Check this out. Pay attention. 2007 Dodge Magnum, 40,000 miles. This could have been you. You could check me out on myhillsideauto.com, or you could check me out on YouTube and punch in 45-minute challenge. Guys, come along with me. Let's meet our new customer. How you doing, fellas? What's your name?
All right. Mike, man.
Mike, nice meeting you.
Right.
What's your name, man?
Rob.
Rob, nice meeting you. Mike, how'd you hear about us?
I rode by and I see the car that I wanted.
Cool.
Came in, gave you a good price.
Thank you.
Came back the next day, and I'm out.
Appreciate
45
it.
minutes.
Thank you, man. Thank you. And overall, how's your buying experience?
Great.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. God bless you, man. Would you recommend a customer?
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
I have to. I'll be back.
Hey, where you guys from, by the way? Where do you live?
Long Island.
Okay, Long Island, folks. Long Island customer. And overall, the whole process, how long did it take?
Less than 45 minutes.
Folks, you heard it. Less than 45 minutes. We're doing it right here at Hillside Auto Mall. Call me, 718-558-0788. Folks, like I tell you, keep it real, stay focused, and keep your eye on the ball. Cut.